Okay, hi everyone, say hi guys.
Hi.
And we have a special treat for you today. We will be singing the community song. Now for those of you who know me, you'll know this is one of our favourite songs that we like singing at school. And for those of you who don't know me, I think that this will be one of your favourite songs by the end of it. So it's really easy words to learn and really simple actions. So the verse, it goes like this: it's me, join in. It's me that builds community, okay? And that's basically the words for the first verse. And for the chorus, we're going to roll it over the ocean and lean forward, rolling over the ocean and rolling over the sea. We're going back to where we're from to build community. Hey, so it's a really cool, really fun and enjoyable song. We hope you enjoy it. Ready? 2, 3, and it's me. It's me that builds community. 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 Sha-la-la, rolling over the ocean, rolling over the sea. We're going back to where we're from to build community. Hey, rolling over the ocean, rolling over the sea. We're going back to where we're from to build community. Hey, and the next one is friends. Ready? 2, 3, and it's friends that build community. 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 Sha-la-la, rolling over the ocean, rolling over the sea. We're going back to where we're from to build community. Rolling over the ocean, rolling over the sea. We're going back to where we're from to build community. Hey! And the last one is, it's love. Ah, it's love. Ah. Ready? 2, 3, and it's love. Ah, it's love. Ah, it's love that builds community. It's love. Ah, it's love. Ah, it's love that builds community. It's love. Ah, it's love. Ah, it's love that builds community. It's love that builds community. Sha-la-la, rolling over the ocean, rolling over the sea. We're going back to where we're from to build community. Hey, rolling over the ocean, rolling over the sea. We're going back to where we're from to build community. Hey! Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, click the like button and please subscribe to our channel. We've got lots of fun things coming for you this way. Thank you.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.